Hey everyone, today we're gonna make the cutest fabric basket, and what I love about this is you can make it in seasonal fabric and it folds flat for storage. So I love making these because then I can just fold them up and store them away when I no longer need them out. So let's get started. You need 2 pieces of fabric and you need a piece of double-sided fusible foam. Make sure when you cut the foam, you are cutting it smaller by the seam allowance that you're going to be sewing your fabric. So I have cut this 3/8 of an inch smaller by both the height and the width, and also on all the inside seams as well. I'm going to start by sewing the fabric, the 2 pieces, right sides together, and leaving a little opening to turn it right side out. Okay, I've sewed all the way around and I've left an opening here where we can turn and we can put the foam inside. Before we turn it, we want to make sure that we clip all the corners. And then I also, on the inside of these straight rectangles, I want to make sure that I clip these corners, not clipping the seam, so that we can get nice sharp V's in there when we turn those as well. Now we're going to turn the fabric right side out. You can use a blunt object to help poke out the corners. Now for the real wrestling match of the day, you're going to put the foam inside and you're going to insert all the pieces where they go. Now, one more little sewing step. We're going to close this hole that we used for insertion of the foam and for turning. So let's sew that closed. Our final step to make sure this lays nicely is to fuse the foam on both sides using an iron. Now it lays nice and flat and we can put the snaps in. And there you have your super cute little basket that you can make and fold flat for seasonal decor, summer storage, organization, or whatever else that you are looking for storage and organization.